Hi, John Spargo here at KOMO Machine. A while back we showed you a video of our American-made Fusion XL CNC Machine Center. Today I want to show you a customer spec Fusion XL 612 machine. This machine has the same high-strength steel frame, 15-pocket dynamic tool changer for quick tool changes, as well as the high-torque 16 horsepower 24,000 RPM spindle. I'm excited to show you some of the additional options that this customer has requested. First, we have an additional 15-pocket static tool changer, enhancing your machine's options with a total of 30 tools and aggregates. Also, we have a 12-foot by 6-foot wide full aluminum table. And the part that I'm excited about, rigid tapping. This feature allows your CNC to not only drill holes, but also tap the threads as well. This system works well with blind or through holes and both cutting or forming taps. This will allow for decreased manufacturing time, better part quality, and an increased return on your investment. These options make this Fusion XL the perfect solution for marine or aerospace manufacturers, machining aluminum or plastics such as UHMW, acrylic, polycarbonate, or HDPE. For more information on how KOMO can add efficiency and versatility to your manufacturing operation, please reach out to us via email at info@komo.com or on our website, www.komo.com. And as always, like and subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.